Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Mike. Get Mike's Cars over at Sawyer Lyons Buick GMC. Wanted to do a quick video just showing you guys how to do a quick radio reset on any of the radios in the Sierra truck lineup. This goes for the 1500s or the 25, 3500, heavy duties. So just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Come take a look. So when you get in your truck, it's going to look something like this. Right now, I am actually in a Sierra 1500 Elevation, the 3VL. So this is what it looks like in here. I have the truck running right now, so you'll see this is basically what it looks like. And to do a system reset, you're just going to go ahead and you're going to press the mute button or the phone cancellation button. You're going to see the no sound icon comes up on the radio. You're just going to keep holding it down. Still holding it until you see that happen. That's just showing that it's doing a system reset. The dash is going to show application unavailable. Radio is going to go black. And then you're going to see it's going to start rebooting. You're going to see everything's going to start coming back to life now. Let's go ahead and press OK. Being that we're still at the dealership, we are still in demo mode, so we're going to go ahead and do that. You're not going to have that pop up if you have already registered your radio. So now you're back to the home screen. Now, for whatever reason, let's say, whatever was, going wrong with your, radio at the time that you wanted to do the reset still isn't fixed. The next option that you can do to go ahead and try is scroll over, go to settings. You're going to scroll down to system. You're going to go to reset options. And you can go to reset vehicle settings. And then you can see there it says you are about to reset vehicle settings on your infotainment system for all users. This includes selections found in the settings app and other apps. To reset system and app settings, use erase infotainment data. Then you're just going to go ahead and hit the reset button there, and that should take care of it. Hope that helps.